I'm Michael. I've been here since I was 14 years old, so that's 2016, 17, somewhere in there. I started out helping out in the maintenance shops with our head of maintenance, and I did a whole bunch of stuff, mainly in the summer, because of course I was in school then, and I just kind of progressed to other areas. I was always interested in operations. I mean, who isn't? Hence why I'm dressed. I found lots of passion for the overhead and line work, and also just track, and then expand to, well, people need help here, people need help there, so I just kind of branched out and dabble a little bit of everything. Right now I'm co-project manager on a streetcar restoration. So the car it's Philadelphia Suburban Transportation 73. It is an identical sister car to our 66. And the idea behind getting this one running and looking identical is to run them in a two-car, multiple-unit train, which will greatly increase our capacity for all sorts of special events. That would be very, very neat to see from a rail fan's perspective. It was actually during the summer of 2020 that we rolled out one of our other cosmetic restorations on our Shaker Heights PCC car. We just repainted it basically, and it was well, what's next? Oh, 73, that's coming in. Okay, we can move that, and started tearing into it a little here and there, cleaning it out, organizing it, getting everything in shelves and organized, kind of getting the inventory for things. And then I started with the marker lights, out of all things. I started restoring those, and it turned out to not be a complete failure. I guess I was kind of put in charge of a little more, and then sooner or later I started writing up a complete project restoration plan, the scope of work, and went into quite some detail. And well, here we are. We just finished canvassing the roof. It's in the process of being painted and all the other things going on top, and we're hoping that's going to be done in the next couple of years. It's a whole group effort. I specifically, it seems like a lot of young folk, high school, even early college, seem to be interested in this project, because I've had to learn and teach myself a lot of things just from this. I didn't know I could do specific things. I've learned a lot of woodworking things I never knew before, but gained a lot of skill, and well, there's our car, yeah.